Hello guys, welcome. In today's videos I am going to show you how to replace the rear brake light of Yaris. This is 2008 model Yaris. So we have to open the boot, and you can see here is this part. You can take it out. This one, when you're fixing, you can fix this back. This is a notch goes in here, then you can put it back. So to take the brake light, there is two bolts you have to take out. Use a torchlight, it is better, you can see. So this is one bolt and there is another one bolt here. It's a bit tight, so I need a T-rod to unscrew it. And we can use this one. This is 10 mm box I'm using. Same way, other one also. So both the bolts are taken out. Now you can take it out from here. This came out. You have to give some force to take this out. Now you can take this plug out. Let me take the new one. So this is the new one port. This is not the new one. I bought it from eBay. It's a used one. So only plug you have to connect is this one. So just take out the plug from here and connect it there and fix it back. That's it. To take this connector off, you have to press here with a screwdriver and you can pull it back. I need two hands to do that. See that? That's it. See, you have to use the screwdriver to push this part, then only the that lock will go out. So now the new one is inserted back. Only thing is to put that two bolts back and close the lid. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, just comment. Please subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.